A very good morning to my dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well. So, last class, we have done about the division of labor, meaning types, advantages, and disadvantages. So, in our today's class, we will be moving towards the last section of labor, that is efficiency of labor. So, what do you mean by efficiency of labor? Okay, efficiency means the productivity capability of the labor. So, what is the capacity of the labor? Okay, it is simply we can say the labor's productivity means a single labor can produce what quantity of its work. Okay, as in the book whatever is mentioned, so I have mentioned written here. So efficiency of labor, so per worker productivity, or you can say simply labor productivity. So when you define it, so it is the amount of output produced per unit of labor. Okay, when you give the definition, when you write the definition, okay, just write this sentence. Efficiency of labor defined as the amount of output produced per unit of labor. Amount of output produced per unit of labor. Okay, the amount of output. Output means the production, whatever is the produced unit. Okay, the amount of production produced per unit of labor means how the single labor, how much he or she is producing. That is called as efficiency of labor. Okay, this is the meaning. And next point we will be moving towards reasons for low efficiency of Indian labor. Okay, what is the reason for low efficiency of Indian labor? So let us continue, okay, with the reason for low efficiency. See, point number one, it says traditional and less efficient techniques. Yes, our Indian labor, okay, mostly you can see the small scale industries as well as the agriculture sector. They use mostly outdated technology. Okay, they doesn't prefer modernized technology. Why they didn't prefer? Because here, while using the modernized technology, lots of capital is required, lots of fund is required. So the agriculture, the farmer, they don't have too much money, so they could not afford. The small scale industry, they also don't have too much fund, so they could not afford. Okay, this kind of technique. Okay, so ultimately, what is happening? The efficiency of the labor, it gets decreased because lack of availability of modernized technology. Okay, the large scale they implement this kind of technology. But what about the cottage industry, small scale industries, farmers, Okay, they do not prefer. Whether they don't have that much financial power, because of lack of financial crisis, they face too much difficulty. Okay, lack of financial power, they face too much difficulty. So thus it decreases the efficiency of the Indian labor. Okay, next point you can see lack of highly trained labor force. Yes, lack of highly trained labor force. Our Indian labor force, our country's labor force, they are not so trained enough. Why they are not so trained enough? Because of education system. The education system of the country is not too much highly developed. The skill power which they will be getting, they don't get too much skill power. And if you see our small scale industries and agriculture sector, the labor who are working there, they're not so educated, they're not so trained. Because they are not so trained and they are not so educated and all, the productivity of the labor, the efficiency of the labor, it gets down, it decreases. So training and education is highly important for the efficiency of the labor, because these two are missing. Efficiency, the education as well as the training is missing within the Indian labor, the efficiency of the labor, it goes down. it goes down. Why? Because of insufficient knowledge, insufficient education system, insufficient skill development courses and all. Okay, this is what point number 2. And point number 3 says, okay, problem of power shortage. Power shortage. Yeah, shortage of the power. Power means the electricity supply. The electricity of a country, it doesn't remain stable. Okay, it's not so stable. The power cutoff is genuine. Power cutoff is genuine. There will be a power cutoff. Okay, while running the industry, they face too much difficulty because in the middle only the power cutoff is there. In the daytime, there will be a power cutoff. So the industry could not run 24 hours continuously. The industry could not function properly because of the power shortage. Mostly the small scale industries, they get hampered, okay, in this process because of the power shortage. Okay, the production of the industries, it gets unstable because of power shortage. Okay, consequence, power shortage leads to decrease in the motivation of the labor also, because while working they will be in one mode, and once the power shortage is there, then they cannot get in the same mood again, the working condition, because of the power shortage. Okay, so power shortage is the main problem in the efficiency of the labor, to decrease the efficiency of the labor. Okay, next point number 4, working condition. Yes, the working condition, the labor where they are working, the working condition is not so good, not so healthy. They are not working in the healthy environment. The place where they are working, it is not so hygiene. It is not so hygiene. They face too much health issues. Okay, the place they are working, they do not get much facility like canteens and all. Anyway, you will not find same facility. If they are sick, they don't get enough medical facility. Okay, so working condition is very, very pathetic within our Indian industries. You can, if you go visit the industry, you can see the surrounding area too much unhealthy. So who will face the unhealthy problem? The labor who are working there, and because of that, they are not so well. Frequent illness is there in the body. So the working condition should be, okay, hygiene, well equipped, medical facilities should be there, canteens should be there, refreshments should be there. But these all are missing. These all are missing in the Indian industries. If these are there, then the efficiency of the labor can increase because they will be healthy and they will work full-fledgedly. But these all are missing, and the labor gets sick. Labor gets sick, and because of the illness, the productivity, the efficiency of the labor, it decreased. Okay. Next, you can say low wages. Low wages. The wages system of the country is not so good. The labor are not so motivated to work more because of low wages. How much they get? They work that much only. But our industries, they will give low wages, but they are made to work more. They are made to work more. This is the problem our Indian industries, the Indian labor office, they are facing. Because of this also, our Indian labor, okay, they slack down, they decrease the efficiency, and ultimately because of low wages, low salary and all, okay, their motivation decrease over time. They don't get much wages, the financial power, it get decreased. So because of lack of financial power, okay, they are not motivated to work more, to work nicely, okay, work efficiently, and because of these low wages, the efficiency of the labor, okay, decreased. Next, point number 6, we say absence of adequate social security scheme. Absence of adequate social security scheme. The social security scheme of the labor is not there. If something happens to the labor, who will take the guarantee? If something happens to the labor, the worker while working, the company will not take any guarantee at all. So there is issue of health problem. So mediclaim should be there. The company should take the risk, but the company will not take the risk. Anytime they can be removed from the job. So where is the security? Is there any security? No, there isn't any security. Anytime, any moment, okay, they can be kicked out from the job. So security is not there. If something happens to the labor, if severe illness is there, means they can be put to rest, and instead of them, other can be brought to the job. So where is the security? Where the security? Where the labor is safe? The labor is not so safe. The security is not there. The working security is not there. The health security is not there. The life security is not there. Because they face this kind of problem, our Indian labor face this kind of difficult problem. Because of this also, they are not so motivated to produce more, to work efficiently. Because of this also, they are demotivated, and the efficiency ultimately it gets down, it gets decreased. So if there would be a social security measure, schemes would be there, the insurance, okay, their health problem, their working system, okay, permanent working system, if this would be there, then the efficiency would be increased. But though it is absence, so there is absence of efficiency also. Okay, and the last point, it says absence of competitive environment. So there is an absence of competitive environment within the economy. The competition is not there. The competition is not there in terms of technology. In terms of technology, if other industries are implementing highly equipped technology, then others are not equipped. Others are not so equipped. Others they are not using. So if all the industries are using capital intensive, then there can arise a competition. Yes, you are producing more, I will also produce more. And ultimately, the labor efficiency will also increase by giving them training and all, skillful knowledge and all. Okay, but these all are missing. Everything is missing. So the competition itself is missing. Because of this, the efficiency ultimately it gets down. Mostly you can see the small scale and large agriculture sector. Too much competition is not there. Too much competition is not there. So it tends to decrease the efficiency of the labor. It's low efficiency of the labor. Okay. So this is the reason for the low efficiency of the labor. So we have gone through 7 of the points. Okay, 7 of the points. Traditional, okay, and less efficiency technique, lack of highly trained labor force, problem of power shortage, too much power shortage, working condition, the working condition is not so good, not so hygiene, not so healthy, low wages, the wages of the labor is too low as according to the work, absence of adequate social security scheme, the security is not there for the labor, okay, anytime they can be kicked out from the job, absence of competitive environment, the competition is not there. Okay, because of this all, this is the reason the efficiency of the Indian labor it decreases. Okay, hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching video.